beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey y'all. So today is Friday. It's maintenance day. I'm currently at the nail salon. I have got to get my nails done because I broke a nail. I'm out here looking crazy. So Dana's about to get me right. It's gonna get me right. I'm only able to get my nails done. Can't get my toes done. So I'm gonna go get my toes done later. But we gotta get some stuff done today, y'all. So we gotta do some grocery shopping. We've gotta do all of the things. And I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's go ahead and get in here. My appointment's at 12. It is 12. And we're gonna get the show on the road, shall we? Let's go. Y'all, back in the car. Nails are done. I'm back feeling like $1,000,000. And now we are going to go to Costco. I got an hour before my next call, so let's go do that, and then we will go, well, I'll probably go, oh jeez, it's a long line to get out. I'm gonna go this way. Get my nails, well, I got my nails done, heading to Costco. Shouldn't have to get much from there, but I would rather do it while I'm already on this side of town. The downside of us moving to where we moved, a lot of the things that we used were on the specific side of town. Oh, excuse me. So I'm having to go, either I do Instacart or I just come on over. So today I'm already over here so I can save me a little coins with not doing Instacart. This is what I got. So we got some paper towels, of course. We also got some forks, liquid IV because I have been wanting to try this flavor, ham, vanilla because I need to order some and I don't have any at home, paper, trash bags. Also, we got these sparkling waters. Not sure if you guys can see it, but Joe wants to try them. We usually get them in the bottle, but this time we got them in the can. And then last but certainly not least, we got some Kirkland's brand Powerade. So we got that. That is it, you guys. So I spent about $130 on everything. Not too bad. This isn't our actual, let me see, there we go. It's not our actual grocery haul that we normally get, but that's what we have today. So I'm back in the car. I ended up getting me some pizza because my next call is in 15 minutes. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get me something to eat because I have not eaten all day. It's hot. I'm sweating. I'm gonna go ahead and scarf this down. Whew. And they gave me the burnest pizza, y'all. Look at this. What is this? But I'm gonna eat it though. All right, y'all, so we are gonna give this liquid IV a go. Y'all, this is not sponsored, but I love liquid IV. I love the orange one. Never tried this one, so we're gonna give it a go. Pretty much you take these little sticks, y'all. I'm gonna show you. They're like hydration sticks. So you just take one of these and pour them into your water. Y'all, it's so refreshing. The orange ones are really, really good. I like those because it has vitamin C in it. It has like electrolytes and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my Stanley. Hold on, y'all. And I haven't drunk any water today, so this is perfect. So, of course, you just take the little sticks. This is what it looks like. You can also, I just seen y'all, you can you could buy these in the gas station. I seen them up at the register, at least at my Circle K's. All right, so it's just a little powder. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna pour it in here. And it dissolves clear. We're gonna give it a mix. Let's taste it and see what it tastes like. And does it smell good? But does it taste good? It's good. It's good. You could taste them. You can really taste all the flavors in here of one of these little firecrackers. So you can taste the lemon lime, you can taste the raspberry, you can taste the cherry. But this gives you faster hydration. Love it. So I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna finish work. Right now it is 3:24. Joe is grabbing the girls. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all, so it is 3:27. I am going to finish up my little bit of work and get ready to take this last call. And then we're gonna go and get these toes done. Cause, baby, they need to be done. But let me show y'all, hold on. 1 second, y'all, let me put my stuff down. So I got this cute little two-piece from Fashion Nova. I got these little biker tights and this top, and I just have it tucked in. And I have on my forces. It's giving a cute little, I'm just out and about look. I think I got the size medium because the shirt, I wanted it to be like a little bit longer to give that slouch look. But it's definitely a little vibe. I've gotten a few little compliments off of it today, but it's like the perfect summer outfit. I'm probably gonna get this in every color, to be honest. It's so lightweight. I absolutely love it. And so now I'm in here in my work from home closet. Y'all, I gotta clean this thing out.
Head over heels in love, right in front of you, ain't gotta look no more, baby. I wanna build this love, and everything you own, you ain't gotta ask for. You got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. So you're from the jump, I don't wanna choose you. Got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Grab me by the waist, baby, pull me closer.
Hobby Lobby already has their fall stuff out.
Yeah. Hobby.
Is what, Nora?
Hobby.
Hobby.
Okay, I love you, bye.
Y'all, I have mixed emotions about these things. Like, should I get them or should I not? Hold on. Just got back from Hobby Lobby. Let me show you what I got. I got these bead organizers. I got 2 of these for the girls and their beads. And then I got a clay roller. And 2 things of clay. Okay, go. I'm going to be using these for my cookie business. So instead of me using cookie dough, we're gonna use clay for our samples, just for pictures. But yeah, so I'm gonna go take these upstairs and add the beads.
Let me 3-wheel polio on hot juice. Sitting sideways, boys in the days. On a Sunday night, I might bring me some maize. Sitting sideways, boys in the days. Sitting sideways, boys in the days. On a Sunday night, I might bring me some maize. Sitting sideways. I was bad at fucking school, now I'm trying to dodge the scene. Just walked out the lavish store, pair of shoes, $12.50. You wanna boss up your life? All you gotta do is get in with me. I don't even pay to get in the club, they know I'm a walking tick. I'm presidential leaving the club, we ain't stopping at no light. You wanna be a boss? You gotta pay the price. Left wrist on frost, look like a bag of ice. I'm driving the Bentley Bentayga like I don't love my life. I'm in that thing shifting, and I'm lane switching.
So I am all finished with my hair. So this is what it's looking like. It's still wet because I just went downstairs and put some hot water on it. But it is giving very much summer hair. And this will probably last me until, bless you baby, the end of June. Leah wants these braids, but she wants the jumbo. So I did these kind of like a modified knotless just because I have a hard time doing knotless on my hair, but Leah's hair will absolutely be knotless. But y'all, it is 7:09 and I have not cooked dinner yet. And so I'm gonna head downstairs and cook dinner so that way we can get that out of the way. And if my head stops hurting, then me and the girls are gonna go for a walk. So let's go downstairs and cook dinner. Well, y'all, that's gonna be it for this episode of Just Living Life. If you liked today's video, you guys, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.